In this video, I'm going to show you how to erase in Affinity. Now, one of the easiest ways to do this is by going to Pixel up top, and then here you will have this little tool, which is called the Erase Brush tool. When you click on it, you have a bunch of different ones. So you have the Flood Erase tool, the Background Erase Brush, and the Erase Brush tool. So let me actually show you how to use this. Now, most of the time, you're going to be using the Erase Brush tool and then the Background Erase Brush. So the Erase Brush tool is very simple. You can just basically go ahead and select its size up top and then the hardness and stuff like that as well. So you can hover over this to be able to see what things are. So opacity, this is the flow, this over here is the hardness, and then the accumulation. So up to you, you can play around with that. And whenever you then go ahead and use this on your image, it's basically gonna, whenever you of course select it, it's going to delete that part of your image and it's going to start erasing. Okay, so that's how to erase. This is the most basic way. However, if you would like to erase like a background or something, you can go ahead and use this erase background brush. So the background erase brush, click on that, again set its size, and then you'll be able to go like this. And as you can see, as long as 2/3 of your brush or more, I'd say about that much, yeah, are basically over your part where you want to erase it, you'll be able to go ahead and easily erase the background. So if I go over here, I can just keep up and then just go ahead and keep sliding, and the background is going to slowly begin to be erased. Of course, you could go click by click for a more precise erasing, but that's kind of the main idea, and I think you get it. So that's how to achieve this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.